Everyone, welcome to Rookie Analysis. My name is Saad and I'm back with another trading opportunity. This time we will look into Kishu USDT. I posted a video about it earlier as well and we smashed 100% of the profit on it. It was almost 9 days ago and we took our profit in around 3-4 days from it. I'm going to show you the video. This was the entry point 5074 at the moment and our expected targets were around 6700 after 9 zeros. And look where the market actually went from there. This was the entry 5074 and market went up to 0.74. Our targets were around 67 after 9 zeros. So that gives us around 30% on the trades that we took in. So today I saw another opportunity. I thought I should share with you guys as well, and will give you the insight of what I think about this pair. So without wasting your time, let's jump into it. As those guys who are following me, they know that I'm a fond lover of head and shoulder pattern, and I'm going to show you a reversal pattern over it, and we'll take our trading method from there onwards. Okay, so this is the trend line that I took is to mark the neckline of head and shoulder pattern. Basically, this is the left shoulder of the head and shoulder pattern. This is the head, this area, and after that this is the right shoulder, and then we saw a breakout. For breakout, we are seeing large volume candles that confirms that our head and shoulder pattern that we took is the valid one. So we saw a rally towards up, we saw a retest. Now we're going up, and let's see where our projected targets are. We already took some profit over it, 30%, and now the market is in reversal. We're gonna take another entry and see how much we can gain from it. So I'm gonna take that trend line from the deepest point in the chart and take it towards the neckline. This is the neckline, and we are gonna place it over the breakout. This is the breakout point. The projected targets are 1074 after 9 zeros. So I'm gonna mark it with the horizontal tray so that you guys don't forget the target we just took. I'm gonna delete this. Now, as you guys know, I always make sure that we are going in the correct path. We are not assuming things that are not there, and for that I always reconcile my readings with at least 2 trading methods. The second one I love the most is the Fibonacci tool, Fibonacci retracement, and we use harmonic patterns to identify whether we are on the right track or not. So we are going to take a Fibonacci retracement from this point, that was our left shoulder, and towards this point, that is 544 after 9 zeros. We're gonna this is our X2A leg. As you guys see that we saw our rejection at the price of 0.618. As I've told you guys so many times, this is one of the most important Fibonacci retracement level that you have to mind. That 0.618 is 99% of the time is the rejection level where you will see a price reversal. So 0.618, we saw a reversal of the reversal of the price. It went down to 0.272 in negative. We saw 1 touchdown, 2 touchdown, and now we are going up. So those who are familiar with cipher pattern, this is actually a cipher pattern. I'm gonna show you guys so you better understand it. This is a cipher pattern. The cipher pattern this is the X2A leg. This is A to B leg. From A to B, this is the deepest point in the chart, that is on 272 in the negative, and the projected targets of our cipher pattern, if it touched down to 0.272 in negative, will always be 0.618 of the retracement that we took. That confirms, that perfectly aligns with the projected targets we got from head and shoulder pattern. So this pattern is valid. Now this is this trade is based on 2 parts. This is the first part and this is the easy one. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to trade this. I'm going to delete it, and this Fibonacci retracement I'm going to delete as well. And let's mark our target profit from the current price. I'm not going to go down, or just for the example I'm telling you, you can take the entry 1%, 2%, 3% less. It only it depends on you guys. So from the current price, this is 0.272. Let me show you guys Fibonacci level as well. Okay, so from current price to Fibonacci 0.618, that is 65% from the current price. And from current price to the point where I am telling you I am 100% certain that it's going to go up, that at that price, that is 1075 after 9 zeros, you're going to get around 72% conservatively. 72% we're going to get from it based on our head and shoulder readings. I'm going to delete this, I'm going to delete this, I'm going to show you another interesting thing. Okay guys, so being a trader, you have to be very imaginative, so you can predict things which are not on the chart already. This is the point. This is the point where of reversal from from our head and shoulder pattern and Fibonacci. So I'm going to show you an interesting thing. This is actually another head and shoulder in the making. As you can see, this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and after that we will see a reversal and we will see a breakout. I'm going to delete it, and we'll go back to the second part of the trading. So according to our readings, using two methods, we are on the same track. We are on a right track, projecting our targets around 65% to 72% depending upon where you want to take the exit. So this is the second part of the trade. Let me, my mouse is acting a bit, just bear with me. So this was the pattern, head and shoulder pattern, that I showed you guys. Now I'm going to show you a second head and shoulder pattern that we are in the making of right now. Sometimes in a chart you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, many times you will see at least two harmonic patterns or head and shoulder pattern or reversal pattern, any kind of, and that gives you an opportunity of the further targets that we can get from it. So I'm gonna take a trend line. I'm going to take a trend line and we're going to map it out using the same method that we used already. This is the deepest point in the chart. This is our right shoulder, and this is a breakout. We saw large volume candles. Now we have done one retest and we are on the retest of the second one, and we are expecting it to go up now. So at the point of breakout, we're going to place it and we're going to mark our projected targets accordingly. So this is our second projected targets. I'm going to change the color so you guys better understand it. This is the yellow one. The second projected target is the yellow line. Okay, so let's delete it and let's take out a Fibonacci retracement tool. We're gonna take the Fibonacci as we took before. 0.618 reversal. Sorry, I took it in inverse. This is the right one. 0.618 in reversal. This is my negative 0.272. Projected targets for around 0.618. Once we are done there, we are gonna see a retracement. So those of you who are following me, I always tell you guys the readings of Fibonacci, so you guys understand it yourself. You know the concept of how the market moves around and how it projects its next reach. So for that, if you see a retracement from 0.618 and down to 0.382, the projected targets will be around 0.886 always of the total retracement. If you see a retracement from 0.5 to 0.382, the same target 0.886, it's going to be hit. So in this case, we are expecting it to go to 0.618. So 0.618, we are at least going to see a reversal towards 849 after 9 zeros for it to reach the next target, that is on the 886 of Fibonacci retracement. So if I draw you guys with a pencil, I'm going to show you how it's going to work out. This is sorry, let me erase it, undo. Okay, this is the chart pattern we are expecting it to finish. This is the projected targets. The projected target, once they are hit, we are going to see a retracement towards this area, that is 0.382, and then we will see a rally. What that does is it also completes the head and shoulder pattern, another head and shoulder pattern, and then we will see a retracement of it as well. So The next part of the video, the next part of the trade, that is going to be another trade, another video. I'm going to show you guys how you can take entries and take exit at the next after the completion of second head and shoulder pattern, and whether it's a correct one. Reason being that we will have to measure it as well with Fibonacci and harmonic patterns. So from the current price, I'm going to delete it. From the current price, projected targets, further projected, second projected targets is going to be 100% trade from the current price. If you take it and you let it go for some time, you're going to get 100% return over it. But if you trade in parts, that's what I recommend. Your first trade is going to be around this area, let's say 73%, all right? And then I'm going to take the retracement tool back, so we better get the entries right. Okay, so first trade was 0.618, that is 73%. I'm going to put it over the current price. Okay, it's almost 70%. 70% at from the current price, and our second entry will be around one second. Yeah, okay, so our second entry will be around this area. Sorry, 1 second, guys. Let me show you again. I don't want to mess up things here. 618, 272, 886, we will see a retracement towards this area. So from the current price, this is our first target. Then we're gonna see a retracement from 618 to 382 at least to reach to 0.886. That is our second target. So this is our second target. We will take a re-entry, and if you guys do this, take this trade in a single trade, you're gonna get 100%. And if you take this trade in buy parts, you're gonna get 120%. If by adding 47 and 72 point something, you will get 120% gain compared to 100% gain you just let it. So that is a 20% additional profit if you post it wisely. And even though if you miss the trade, it's all right. You can get, I post regularly on the trades that are almost 1x, 1.5, 2x trades. So give me a thumbs and follow back, and so you guys get the timely updates. And I'm gonna show you guys so many opportunities that you will be amazed. So wish you luck, wish you best of luck for trading, guys, and have a good day from my side. Take care. Bye bye.